In this video, I'm going to share with you how you share YouTube videos on Canvas. So what you're going to notice is on the left-hand side, you'll see account, dashboard, courses, calendar, inbox, comments, studio, and help. You're going to select the studio button, okay? So once you select the studio button, it looks like this, and you can organize it by like folder or subject matter. And I'm going to go ahead and select growth mindset. I'm going to select the add button over here. And then you're going to copy and paste the YouTube URL. So I selected this video. I'm going to go ahead and copy that and paste it over here. Once you're done, you're going to select the add button and it should appear right here. So you're going to select that button with the 3 dots and there's 4 options. There's create a quiz, share media, move to, and delete media. So you're going to select share media. And you're going to select create public link. And I'm going to get the embed code. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this link. And then I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to select that button right here, the embed button. I'm going to go ahead and paste it. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select save. And there you have it.